Hey guys, Sakanya here. Today we're going to be taking a look at this problem, which has something to do with impulse. So let's go ahead and dive straight in. A 60-kilogram tennis ball with an initial speed of 32 meters hits a wall and rebounds with that same exact speed. The figure below shows the wall's force on the ball during the collision. What is the value of F max, the maximum value of the contact force during the collision? So as I said before, we are going to involve some impulse equations over here. But first, what exactly is impulse? Well, impulse is nothing but the change in momentum. And we know that momentum is equal to mass times velocity. So impulse is just equal to the final momentum minus the initial momentum. In other words, mass times velocity final minus mass times velocity initial. And I can further simplify this to mass times Vf minus Vi, just taking that mass out. And I'm going to move this over here. And now another thing I do want to know is that the other formula of finding impulse is force times time. And the funny thing is that the graph we are given over here is also a force time graph. In other words, the area of this is equal to the impulse. So I'm just going to find the area of this, dividing it into two triangles and one rectangle. All right, now we have to see this impulse from the problem over here. So let's actually do that. The 60-gram tennis ball with initial speed of 32 meters per second, all right, so 32, hits a wall and then rebounds back. So if we take right as positive, then left as negative. So we have positive 32 and then negative 32 over here. Right off the bat, I think we can find the impulse from this because I know that impulse is mass times this quantity over here. I know the initial and final velocities. So for the mass, I'm gonna write 0.06. because we have to convert grams into kilograms. And then for the Vf minus Vi, I'm going to write Vf, which is negative 32, minus Vi, which is also negative 32, since Vi is that positive, and I'm going to simplify the right side. Now I'm going to simplify this whole entire equation to find F max. And the final answer is negative 0.96 newtons.